Alright, continuing with question number 9. The angle of elevation, which means what? You are looking up, alright, of the top of a building from the foot of a tower. So if you look at a diagram here, top of the building. So this is the top of the building, right? And where are you looking from? From the foot of the tower. So if you look at it, this is the tower, right? And where will the foot be? Here, okay? So you're looking at the top of the building from the foot of the tower, right? You're looking up like this. Question is saying it makes an angle of 30 degree, right? And now let's go to the next part of the question again. And the angle of elevation, once again you're looking up of the top of the tower. This is the top of the tower, right? From where you're looking, from the foot of the building. So this is the foot of the building and you're looking up like this. It makes an angle of 60 degree, right? Now the last part of the question, the tower is 50-meter high and we also find the height of the building. All right, so let's go about this. So once again, you can see two right triangles are there. We'll use them one after the other, right? So the first one is in right triangle ABC. From here, when you look at these two again, the two right triangle, you can see they share one common side, that is BC. All right, okay, so when we look at the first triangle, in right triangle ABC, angle C is 60 degree. We'll be using 10, all right? Let's try to find BC. 10 of 60 perpendicular by base, right? So AB by BC. Now we already know the value of 10 60 is what? Root 3. AB, the height of the tower is how much? 50 meter, right? Once we're done with that, once we've written the value, we'll do cross multiplication. This BC will go up and then this root 3 will come down to the denominator. All right, so mark that as equation 1. All right, like I said, there are two right triangles. We'll be now taking the second right triangle. DC, this will be B, all right, and they've given us the angle. Once again, we'll be using 10, right? So 10 of 30 degree perpendicular by base, right? So CD by BC. Now 10 30, what is the value? 1 by root 3. Okay, then once again, once we've written the value here, we don't know CD, we're trying to find CD. Okay, and now what we'll do with this BC will do cross multiplication. It will go up to the numerator, as you can already see here, right? But from equation 1, what did we get? The value of BC is 50 by root 3. So that is what we'll be substituting it here. Okay, so if you look here, BC by root 3, that is what we have. Now if you look at BC, we got it to be equal to what? 50 by root 3, right? That means it will be something like this here. All right, so if I change this division into multiplication, nothing happens to the top, right? So we'll simply be having by 50 by root 3. But here, the lower, they have to change their positions. And also remember, 1 is down here. Okay, so the 1 will go up and then the root 3 will come down. So in short, we're going to be having what? 50 by root 3 into root 3. So you can already see here in this step here, right? Then root 3 multiplied by root 3, we're simply going to get 3. Once we're done with that, in order to get the textbook answer, we have to divide, right? So 3 ones are 3, then 4 5, then 3 6 are 18, then 20 minus 18, we're going to get 2. So 16 2 by 3 meter, which is the height of the building CD. All right, let's do one more here. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on the side of the road. So this is the road here, okay, and then two poles AB and ED. The question is already given us that these two poles are equal in height. And what is the width of the road? From here till here, so much? 80 meter. All right, from a point between them on the road. So BD is the road, right? So from a point between them on the road, so I'm taking to be, okay, that point. The angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 and 30 degrees. So we're taking from here, this is 60, and then when you're looking at the top of the pole, one is 30, one is 60, one is 30. So just simple as that. All right, find the height of the pole. Right, but if I get one, I'll know the other also, right? And the distance of the points from the pole. So we actually even find BC and CD respectively. Right, so once again, you can already see there are two right triangles. Let's solve one after the other. Right, write down a given. So first, in right triangle ABC, they've already given to us angle C is 30 degree. Once again, 10 of 30 degree. Okay, for me, we'll try to find AB. Clear? So 10 of 30 degrees was 1 by root 3. Then 10 is again perpendicular by base, right? So AB by BC. All right, so this BC will do cross multiplication. It will go up to the numerator, and then for now leave it as equation 1 here. Let's go to the next again. The next right triangle, right? So in right triangle EDC, once again, angle is 60 degree. We'll use 10 again, right? So 10 of 60 degree, right? what are two sides? Perpendicular by base. So once again, this CD will do cross multiplication, it will go up, so we're going to have root over 3 CD equals D. Okay, now from equation 1 and 2, can we say that what? Can we say that BC by root 3 equals root over 3 CD? We can say, okay, look at your equation 1, BC by root 3. All right, and now what did we get? DE, we got it to be root 3 CD. Why we can say they're equal? Because if you look again, AB is height of the pole, right? And ED is same thing. It is also the height of the pole. And the question is given to us that both the height of the poles are equal. Okay, so we're writing the right hand side here, right? Right hand side from the first equation is BC by root 3, and then the right hand side, or the left hand side. Okay, guys, the left hand side of AB is BC by root 3, and then the left hand side of DE is root 3 CD. They should be equal, right? Because right hand side are equal. The poles AB and ED are equal in height. So now if we stop there, we're going to send this root 3 up. So we're going to have what? Root 3 into root 3, right? But we know root 3 into root 3 is simply equal to 3. Right? So we'll leave it there for now. Now let's go here. Now when you look at the rod, this BD, can we say it is made out of two parts? The first part is here, and then the second part is this, right? So there is exactly what we're doing here, right? BD is a whole length. It is made of two parts, BC plus CD, and then they've given us the length of the rod to be equal to 80 meter, right? Now let's go back and look at BC. Okay, how much we got BC? BC is simply, you can write it to be 3 times CD. All right, so you can see here BC has been replaced by 3 times CD. All right, then 3 CD plus 1 CD, we're going to get 4 CD. Then this 4 will go down to the denominator, and we can divide 4 into 20. Now we got CD, we got this part CD. Okay, this is how much? This is now 20 meter. Let us also try to find what is that? BC again, right? So we're going to put the value of CD equals 20 meter in equation 3. So you can see once again here, equation 3 is this. We got CD already, right? 20. Okay, so here if we put, we'll get BC. So when you look here, BC equals 3 times CD, but CD how much we just got now? 20, right? Then 3 into 20, 60. So can you see that we have got the width, right? This is 20 and this is 60, but we still have one more thing to do, and that is to find the height of the poles. Okay, so once again we'll put the value of CD in equation 2. So if you go back to equation 2, this is the one. We know CD, let us try to find DE. So now, so equation 2 is this, right? 3 times CD equals D, but CD how much we got? We got 20. So here, in place of writing it behind, so it will be something like this, right? Root over 3 times CD equals DE. And what are we going to have? Root over 3 times multiplied by 20 DE. So I'm just bringing this 20 in the front, okay? So root over, and then bringing the 20 in the front, right? So this way you can say 20 root 3 meter equals DE. This, we got the height of the pole, right? And the question says that both the poles are equal. So if I get ED, same thing with AB. All right.